I tried Cwallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Cwallet app, I didn't know what to expect. With so many crypto wallets claiming to be the next big thing, I thought this one would be no different. But after using Cwallet for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it's far more than just a wallet. It's a complete crypto toolkit built for both beginners and power users. The first thing that stood out was Cwallet's hybrid design. It offers both custodial and non-custodial options. That means you can choose whether to manage your own keys or let the app handle them securely for you. Most people get this wrong. They think wallets have to be one or the other, but Cwallet gives you both worlds in one clean interface. During my test, I sent and received multiple cryptocurrencies and everything worked flawlessly. I also tried the app's built-in tip bot for social platforms like Telegram and Discord, and it's honestly one of the coolest features I've seen. You can send crypto tips instantly to friends or followers without leaving the chat. Cwallet also supports token swaps, airdrops, and even an earn section where you can stake or lend your assets for rewards. The user experience felt smooth, and the app didn't lag even with multiple features running at once. What really surprised me, though, was the level of integration. How it connects easily with web apps and Diffie services, making it a true all-in-one hub. Security felt solid too, with two-factor authentication and optional cold storage. At the end of the week, the shocking truth was undeniable. Cwallet isn't just another crypto app. It's a multifunctional ecosystem that combines the best parts of wallets, exchanges, and community tools. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for different crypto needs, Cwallet might just be the most underrated solution out there.